We are officially glocked in. That's right, we glocked in. Yes, sir. I'm reloaded. Want some more, nigga. We back with another one, you feel what I'm saying? We back with another one. Yeah, I know I'm squatting right now, you feel me? Because the camera kind of propped up, kind of like short. Matter of fact, I need to raise it up, but I'm gonna be sitting down, so I ain't stretching. We back with another video. And this time, it's something new. That's right, we bringing the guns out. That's right, the fucking guns. They coming out right now. I'm excited, you feel what I'm saying? I am excited. Now, I don't really post guns on my social media, you know what I'm saying? I just never was that type of person, just be flashing guns. But guess what? When you're legal, you can do it. So guess what? We gonna do it. I was really contemplating about turning this channel into a gun channel, making a whole nother channel, or just mixing it up, you know what I'm saying, on this one channel. Guess what? For all my gun fanatics, we're back and we're officially glocked in. That's what I said. We're glocked in because guess what? Your boy just caught the Glock in. Yes, sir. I just caught the Glock in. Boy, it's my first Glock. You feel me? I just caught my first Glock. And we really already had unboxed it, you know what I'm saying? I ain't shot it yet, but I already had unboxed it. But I wanted to show you guys what I caught. You feel what I'm saying? So all my gun fanatics, I bet y'all can't guess what's in this box. The only reason you guessed that is because of the title. That's the only reason you knew what was in this box. But listen, man, I just caught the Glock. It's my first Glock, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited, bro, because I had a Taurus. You know what I'm saying? I had a Taurus. It was straight. Situation happened with that Taurus. I don't have it no more. But we're gonna talk about that another time. Right now we got the new Glock in. It's my first Glocky, you know. Yeah, we're officially glocked in. You see that box right there? Y'all see this box right here? Look at this. What this say? It actually says lock, but if you pay attention, Glock, nigga! Look, it say lock, but it's really Glock, nigga. And that's right, I got a Glock. Ain't no generic, ain't no off-brand. It's really, this is her. This is her right here. In this box, this is her right here. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. I ain't got a name for her, but we gonna think about a name. But we gonna open the box, you know what I'm saying, so I can show y'all how she look. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Now, like I said, I already had opened the box, but I wanted to show y'all how it look right now. Ooh, oh my God. That's right. You see it. You see it. Glock 43X. And you ask me, why, Jay? Why did you get the Glock 43X? Well, because the Taurus was my first gun, and it was small and compact, I wanted to go with another small compact gun for my everyday carry. And I tried to conceal the 19, but it was too big. No, bro, I needed something a little bit smaller to pack on me. You feel what I'm saying? But get what? We went ahead, and let me show y'all this Glock 43X. There ain't no clip in it. There ain't nothing in the chamber, you feel me? Oh my God, I went ahead and put a hog grip on here, you feel me? I went ahead and put a hog grip on here. I was gonna take it off for the video, but it was so hard to put on here, I'm not gonna put it off. I'm not even gonna take it off. But I just wanna show y'all how this Glock 43X look. Oh my gosh, she is beautiful. She is beautiful, nice and slim. Y'all see it, 43X, Austria, 9 by 19, pretty. Oh yeah, and I got the MOS one. That means it came with the railings, so I could put a laser on here. Also, it came with, you know what I'm saying, the sight. And I actually got an optic. So the next time y'all see this gun, oh, it's gonna be hooked up to the max. But again, let me tell y'all why I got this, okay? Like I said, I had a Taurus, you feel me? I had a G2C or G3C? I forgot which one I had, but I had the small one. It was compact, you know what I'm saying? I had it. Long story with that one, I don't have it anymore. And I wanted another compact gun. So I done my research. And the thing about it is, before this, I was gonna go get the Hellcat. That's right, I was gonna get the Hellcat. But I was doing reviews on the Glocky versus the Hellcat. And a lot of people were saying, yo bro, you gotta get the Glocky. Why would you get the Hellcat? You can do the same thing with a Glock, better with a hell. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, bro. I'm still debating on going back to go get it. I might just go back and go get it. I don't know yet. Depends on how this buzz, depends on how I use this. You know what I'm saying? I might go back and go get the Hellcat, but we just gonna have to see, you know what I'm saying? I really do want the Hellcat though. It's like, I feel like that's a gun. Like, everybody got a Glock. You know what I'm saying? Nowadays, everybody has a Glock. Not only are they reliable, but cops use Glocks, you know what I'm saying? So technically, they're the best on the market right now. But I might just go ahead and get the Hellcat just to add to my collection. Just stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? Also, if y'all want to see more gun videos on this page, man, like this video, man, for real. Like, I'm so serious. Like this video right here that y'all watching, because this gonna let me know if y'all really fucking with these guns, for real. Because I can go crazy with these guns. Like I said, your boy Liga, so I can go crazy with these guns though. But back to the 43X, that's right. I said I got a 43X. It's short and compact, you know what I'm saying? My hands are kind of big, you feel me? They can't fit right here in my hand, you feel me? You see how they fit? I can really like hog that, you feel me? So, and the reason why I got this hog grip is because when I didn't have the hog grip, I could tell that if I shoot, not that it was gonna slip out or nothing, it just was so slim. Like, the gun itself is so slim. Look how slim the gun is. It's so slim that I was like, if I shoot, I need more grip. I need more, like, I gotta be able to hold it. Like, you feel me? I gotta be able to hold it, cause I can't not. Shut up! You feel me? Like I said, it's clear. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing in it. It's clear, but I just needed some type of grip. And this hard grip, I got it from Amazon, man. Probably like, how much I paid for it? Probably like $20, $25. I don't even remember though, but I got it from Amazon, you feel me? And it actually add a lot more grip to the gun, you know what I'm saying, than it already had. It came with, let me show y'all what it came with. So it came with this this mag loader or clip loader, whichever one you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? And it came with 2 extra mags. These ain't generic mags, these really Glock mags. That's what I'm talking about. And I already loaded the guns. So this is my this is my practice. This is my range. Like I said, I haven't took it to the range yet. I haven't shot the gun, but it's my full metal jacket ammo. I gotta look at the box and see what type of ammo this is. But I bought I did a deal. It's crazy because I went to this gun show and I talked this dude down. Like, that's why I say, bro, like, if you a hustler and if you really a hustler, you can talk people down. Like, the dude had a 100 round box. He was trying to get it, he was trying to sell it to me for 40 for 100 rounds, right? Guess what I did? I pulled out a 20. And I said, this is all I got. You feel? I really wanted the 50 round because the 50 round was 25. You feel me? But he didn't have the 50 round. But I picked up the 100 round, not knowing it was a 100 round. Just thought it was a 50 round because it had the sign that say 50 round and the 100 round was in front. But I just picked it up. And then when I gave him the money, he was like, the rest of it. And I was like, bro, that's all I got because I thought it was 50. Well, it was supposed to be 25, but I told him I only had 20. But anywho, it was packing up. Guess what he did? Cool dude. Went into his wallet, pulled out another 25, and just put with it, and was like, here, bro, go take it. And I was like, appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. The next time I come, I'm gonna cop 1,000 of them motherfuckers. But right now, I need goddamn, I really don't need 50, but now I got 100, so we straight. So this the full metal jacket. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take this to the range. Y'all can come with me, and we're gonna shoot it. But get what? For all my hot heads out there, yeah, cause I'm be concealing. And if you run up on me and you think you're slick, I'm gonna hit you with one of these motherfuckers right here in your lip. Yeah, that's right, you see it. These are red tips. And if I'm not mistaken, ain't these hollows? If I'm not mistaken on these hollows, I'm not too knowledgeable on the ammo. I know what I bought. And it's crazy because I got the ammo. Where did I put the ammo? But so look, this is the ammo that I take to the range right here. I'll show y'all. This is the ammo that I take to the range. It's Blazer. This is actually good ammo. I shot this when I had my tours. I used to take it. It's brass casing, certified cartridge, 100 rounds. But this is not what's in the gun, but this is also range ammo. And I think this is full metal jacket, if I'm not mistaken. This is, yep, full metal jacket. So these will actually work for the range. But I had, like I said, I had these for my Taurus. I still got some. I don't know where the box is that I got for these at, but I don't know. But then we get into these. Oh yeah. And now this is a 25 box. This box kind of cost though. This box was probably like $40 something for 25. This is critical duty. If y'all can see how that look right there. But that's what's in here. Yeah, for your hot heads, you're gonna be hit with something in your ass. That's what it came with. It also came with this rod that it's supposed to be a brush that come on the end, but it's in my bathroom. I cleaned the cause I got a Draco too. I was cleaning a Draco with it, but it goes on here to clean the barrel. Come with a bunch of bull. You know what I'm saying? A bunch of manuals. You know what I'm saying? Just tell you about the MOS slide. You can take it off. You know what I'm saying? I gotta file it down. But yeah, man, that's the 43X, man. I am super excited to bust this gun, bro. This is my first Glocky. I've never ever shot a Glocky before. I never owned my own Glock before, so this is my first Glock, bro, and I am excited. You feel me? Because now I own a Glock. It's mine. You feel me? So we're going crazy. I gotta get a thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get a thumbnail. Yeah, we got a Glock, man. So, yeah, man. Like I said, coat flush in there. Y'all can see it. Like, I'm gonna get an extendo mag, cause this rounds, it only holds 10 plus 1. So it only holds 10 plus 1 in it. Well, I gotta try my other mag. See, I got a sticker. See, I got a sticker on this one, so it's harder for me. Like if I try to drop it, it won't drop all the way because of the sticker. You feel me? But when I put the other mag in there with no sticker, it drops out perfectly. You know what I'm saying? When I release it, so that's good. And I put the stick on there just to add a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just to add a little custom. I know it's a sticker, but and you're not gonna see it. I just did it. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet. The next time y'all see this gun will be semi-customized. It won't be fully customized, but then again, it's only my compact, so I probably won't do too much to it. But when y'all see this gun again, oh yeah, it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna show y'all right how it is now. You know what I'm saying? She is beautiful, my boy. Beautiful. Hall grip looks crazy amazing on this mug. She is slim. She clean as hell too. You feel me? But yeah, man. That's me unboxing my Glock 43X. Like I said, I got more guns to come. You know what I'm saying? This is just me. Yeah, man, I'm excited. You feel me? Cause growing up, I used to always want guns. My mom didn't really want me to play with guns, but I just always want guns. I really taught myself how to unload guns. I really taught myself how to take guns apart. I really taught myself how to shoot guns. I really taught myself how to load guns, how to clean guns. I taught myself this, you feel me, from my first gun. My first gun that I purchased, I taught myself how to do it. I taught a couple of my friends how to shoot guns, you know what I'm saying, how to take guns apart, you know what I'm saying, how to reload it. So I feel like I just want to build my collection up now, you know what I'm saying. There's a lot of guns out there that I want. There's a lot of guns out there that I've seen. It's a lot of customized guns that I want to customize. A lot of things I want to do to guns. And go check it out though. But if y'all run this video up, man, I got a surprise for y'all. I have a surprise for y'all. I am not capping. The next video, if y'all listen, let me go ahead and do it. Let me see how we gonna end this off. How we gonna end this video off? I'm gonna basically say, if y'all can give me, it's a 43X. If you can give me 43 likes on this video, if you can give me 43 likes on this video, I got a surprise for y'all. I got a surprise for y'all. This is gonna let me know if y'all fucking with these gun videos for real, man. Cause we can go crazy. We can go crazy. I'm telling you right now, we can go crazy with these guns, man. This video right here is gonna let me know if we gonna keep going with these gun videos for real. If I can get 43 likes, I got a surprise for y'all, man. Always keep safety. Always be safe when you fucking with these guns. They're not toys, man. For the kids out there, bro, that's not a BB gun. That is a real gun. Make sure y'all be safe, you know what I'm saying, out here. Stay dangerous, you know what I'm saying, or be legally dangerous. And you already know what it is, man. It's your boy J Honcho, the real J Honcho, man. And we out, all the way up. Let's